Congratulations on finishing section number 2. Maybe this is a very quick overview on mass transfer, but in my opinion it's very important, as with any topic, to understand the structure of what we're going to be studying. So for now you know that there are many classifications, but the one that we're going to be focusing the most will be the classification, which I number 3. Okay, so what's this classification? We are going to be focusing from now on the following sections into phase addition, phase creation, barriers or separation by barriers, separation with solid agents, separation by external fields or gradients, and then we continue with separation of solids or materials involving solids. And at the end we will see mechanical physical separations. And afterwards, we're going to start studying a little bit on the process technology feasibility for separation, whether or not these type of processes are convenient or they are not convenient for our process. Okay, so I'll see you in the following sections, which are going to be a hell of a ride.